It's no coughing matter that every time you laugh, you start coughing. The sad part is that common coughs, if untreated, may lead to chronic coughing bouts and breathlessness. While the commonest cause is a bacterial or viral infection, common coughs may also result from expelling irritants from the throat, such as inhaled dust and pollutants. For the gale mein kharash wali khansi with irritation in the throat, try a few pills of Hepa Sulf 200 and see your cough disappear. Trust homeopathy to keep you healthy. होम्योपैथी सेफ है, श्योर है.